welcome back to Shraddha Academy. So in this video we are going to learn about what are the subjects present in first year PPT. Okay, so we will be going to know about the subjects, which books to refer, and what all are the instruments. So all the three will be done in this video, starting from our department subjects, which are anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Okay, so the anatomy subject, which is there, the best author till now from MBBS to nursing, the best author of anatomy is B.D. Chaurasia, which you can see here. This is the book in which 4 volumes will be there. So all the 4 volumes with, this is general anatomy, with all the 4 volumes and the general anatomy, this is the anatomy volumes which are used of B.D. Chaurasia. B.D. Chaurasia is the best author of this textbook. So coming to the physiology. For physiology, the best textbook is the A.K. Jain is the best author for physiology textbook. So as you can see here, this is the A.K. Jain textbook and this is the Samulingam. Okay, coming to biochemistry. For biochemistry, Vasudevan is the very best book, which is of 10th edition textbook for now, which is the very latest one. And for anat also it is the 10th edition, and for physiology it is 4th edition. Okay, so again 3 more in department subjects will be there. Those are electrotherapy, exercise therapy, healthcare, and one more subject is, that is psychology and sociology. So as you can see here, all the books I mentioned in the list. For psychology and sociology, some books, many books are there, but you can refer some books. Okay, for example, the best psychology book which I referred was from, the author's name is Ramya Shilpa, who teaches us. And for sociology, you can use one of the book is there, which is really very interesting. Neeraja is the author for sociology textbook, which you can see here. So coming to electrotherapy, for electrotherapy, very beginning textbook is Clayton's textbook, which is really very basic and you can understand very clearly. And even one more book is there. Jagmohan Singh is the author of electrotherapy textbook, and even the Clayton is there. And for exercise therapy, you can use the textbook known as Kistner textbook, is really very best for exercise therapy. So these were the subjects which you will get in first year of PPT. And the instruments are goniometers, stethoscope, sphygmomanometer, and the test tubes, tester, cotton gloves, which is used in the anatomy dissection hall, and mask is very compulsory for your postings and sanitizer. So these were the instruments which you have to know, and really the books are really very interesting whenever you do. But 3 main tips or the points which you will get from my side is attendance. Be attentive in the classes, attend all the classes, don't skip or bunk, and refer PPTs which are available in Google. YouTube channels I didn't refer very much. So this was everything about BPT first year. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.